Hello everyone, welcome back to the second part of master blade file, and in this video I will create another file which name is overview overview.blade.php, right? And I'm going to extend it here, so it's a layout.master. So let's go here and let me open this overview. I opened this overview here and refresh the web page, and yes, we have only master templates. Why the master template is there? Why not our code is there? So we did not code anything, we just added our master templates. How we can add our code in the here in the content section? So let's put a section here. You can use this content again, so end this section and hello, I am from the overview, right? Overview, save this one, refresh, and yes, our code is there. Why it's there? Because we are using this content in our master template, right? We declared yield directive, and in there we defined our content here. So what if I want to make this I want to assign them css properties, or yes, not in the master template, I want to only implement this in the test blade. So there is also a directive like section. You can add this section. I am going to name this like styles, and you need to remember that if you are opening a section, you need to end the section first and create and start the another one, right? And here we need to place our all styles which we are going to use in our test blade. So I'm going to in the I think I open, yes, I open this. So let me go to this there and paste our style there. So I open this hello, I am from overview. I open this overview blade. So we need to add our css here. So let me add a css like or let me add a style tag here, and I want to make this a color, right? Let me put an id of span. It's a para. Okay, I named this para, and the color is red. Okay, I need to assign this id to this attribute. Let me put this in some template and assign a id. Oops, I forgot to add this id para, and yes, save this one, and nothing is happening. Why nothing is happening? Because this section code is not executing. Why it's not executing? Because we did not we only implemented this code, but we did not run it. So how we can execute this code? Let's go to the master template. Let me close this. Go to the master template, and like this we added this content. We need to also add our style. We need to add our style section in the style section. Okay, so this is a style section of master. If you are going to add this style sheet here, you can your style sheet should be rendered there. If you want to add this style sheet here, so it's added there at the top of this bootstrap cdn. So I'm going to name this styles, right? I added this styles there, and this is declared in this page. So let's refresh the web page, and yes, it's applied on the web page, right? It's good. So if you want to check that our css is tagged or not, so let's go here and type view page source, or you can also do this by control u. So it's opened our code in the text editor, and yes, you can take a look at this. After the title, we added yield directive, added this code like it's declared we added this there, right? So it's very simple. We are declaring something in our new template, and we are rendering this in our main page. So that's it, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comments box. So I'm shooting videos on the daily basis, so if you want to if you are interested to learn Laravel, you can subscribe my channel and stay connected for more upcoming updates. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.